Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2018 Honda CBR300R. This near mint condition motorcycle has just 81 miles on it. It doesn't show any signs of tip over or lay down damage, but it does have half a dozen little rock chips in the tank, so I kind of think somebody hit this thing with a lawnmower, but just a guess. So let's take our walk around it. It is all stock. I'll show it to you and then we'll fire it up for you. I mean, really, basically, this bike is still brand new. As you can still see, there's still the paint lines on the tires. Like I said, this bike doesn't show any signs that it was ever dropped or tipped over or anything like that. What we've got here, couple little ones here. So like I said, it's really in an odd position. Makes me wonder, like I said, if somebody didn't run a lawnmower by it, shoot it with a bunch of rocks. So rear tire as well, I mean, still got the little knobbies on it. So, and this bike does still look like it's brand new if it wasn't for that impact. And you know what, maybe they bought it like that, but show them to you again here. All right. 82 miles on this bike. Leaning over, don't I? That looks a little better. Still leaning. Battery tender lead. This 2018 CBR300R has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.